cooking pork trotter beehooon today. It is a simple and cheap meal to feed the whole family, which many grew up eating. This is 1 can of pork trotter, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, and 1 packet of Tai Sun. Separate the stems from the leaves. This is 1 packet of beehoon. Soak in some water for at least half an hour. We start by sautéing the garlic using the oil from the can. When the garlic is fragrant, pour the whole can of pork trotter into the wok. Break up the meat and remove the bones. When all the bones are removed and the sauce comes back to a boil, add the stem of the Tai Sun. Add some water if it is too dry. I have some water from soaking mushroom the other day, and so I'm adding this. Add the leaves when the sauce comes back to a boil. Remove the Tai Sun when the leaves are cooked down. This is to prevent the Tai Sun from being overcooked. We can now add the beehoon. I have tasted the sauce just now. We are adding 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. If you prefer, you may also choose to add some oyster sauce. Continue to fry until the sauce is fully absorbed and the beehoon is soft. Take some beehoon to taste. If the beehoon is still not soft and there is no more liquid, add some water. Add more soy sauce and dark soy sauce to taste. We're adding another tablespoon each. Add the caixin back into the wok when the beehoon is almost done. Add 2 tablespoons of sautéing wine. We have tasted and we think we need another tablespoon of sautéing wine to remove the porky taste. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and we are done. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends.